Yeah, it feels decent.
If it's pulling track like that, you're not on the ground.
I'm very positive.
No, that's a fish. She's gaining ground on it. It's suspect. It's suspect. Nice. Oh, that's a good. That's a good.
Holy crap!
That's right. That's a keeper.
Woo!
Quick, quickly. Oh, quick.
Do I have it?
No.
What was it?
I'll totally buy you guys another one.
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay.
I hope you guys can't see me if I do that. Hopefully you guys can see me just a little bit. You guys know the deal. When it is really early in the morning and it's pitch black out and I start my intro, it's usually ends up being a really good video. So if you guys remember those people, Joey and Nina, woozy fishing on Instagram that I went fishing with and I caught the biggest fish in my life recently, they invited me back out on their boat again, so that means they don't hate me, which is cool. They liked me. But no, they invited me back out on the boat for a mission. Fly fishing mission. If you guys know me, I'm not good at fly fishing at all. The only thing I've ever caught on a fly was bluegill, like a bunch of bluegill. I went out one day, went to Walmart, got my first fly fishing setup, and caught a bunch of bluegill. I'll leave that video link down below for you guys because it is it's pretty cool. But I've never caught anything big on the fly before. I have everything you could possibly need, and so did they. So we're just gonna absolutely kill it today. We're not going after anything too crazy. We're just gonna try to slice some fish. That's really the goal. We catch some big ones, we catch numbers, I don't know. We're just gonna see how it goes. I'm really excited. They're just fantastic people. You guys gotta go check out their Instagram. I promise you won't be pissed. Go give them a follow. I'll leave it link down below. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. You know the deal. Go check them out. They have an unbelievable Instagram and they're really great people. Highly recommend following them. So I'm gonna get everything out of the car. I gotta meet them on the dock in 3 minutes. So I'm kind of cutting it closer now. I'm gonna put you guys away. And I'll meet you guys, well, next time I'll see you guys will be on the chest mount. So yeah, stick around, stay tuned, enjoy today's episode. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you've been enjoying all the content lately. Drop a comment down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more epic content like this one because it is 4 a.m. baby. Okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh my god!
Dude, cast again, cast again. Ah! Smoked it! We were just all waiting.
You guys are all watching my fly.
Oh, that was awesome. Cast again, cast again. Oh.
I know, I could all feel you guys staring and it was perfect.
You literally will that bite. Oh, that was awesome.
There we go. First cast with the jerk bait too. Jerk bait. It's just gonna be the treble hooks. That's gonna be really annoying, but yeah, they're still here. On a little schoolie. But you want to eat my fly? Oh, yeah. That's nice.
They would have been
First schoolie of the day for me. Wouldn't eat my fly though. Yeah, that's true. That makes me feel a little bit better. There we go. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Ah, he's alright.
He's just strong.
He's just strong. Yeah, you can toss her back. Yeah, fly fishing's hard.
Just for today.
Yeah, I mean, I learned a lot. That's for sure. I know. Yeah, that's the whole point.
You know, I need to buy that house.
Yeah,
What the hell?
Did you come up?
No, I think my leader just snapped.
Do you see your lure? Is it floating?
It is a suspending one, so it should be floating, but I don't see it.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah. There we go. Tina's got one on the popper. And then you've got one on the fly. And then I break off my leader. There we go. Whoa. What's up, buddy? Oh no, 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 no. Wow. Look at that sea bass. How jealous are you guys right now? It's a little bit of a downgrade, but you know. There we go. Yeah, it feels decent.
If it's going track like that.
You're not on the ground.
I'm very positive.
No, that's a fish. She's gaining ground on it.
No, yeah, it's a fish because he's tugging.
It's okay. It's coming out. I think it's going to be really nice. Nice. Also check the drag. It's a little, it's suspect. Nice.
No, he's still down there.
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
He's solid. Oh, it's a tog.
Is it?
Go. It's a nice tog. That's why.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Dude, that's a tank. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a good
Holy crap.
That's right. That's a keeper.
Woo.
If it was,
Season's closed, but that's
Season's closed, but
you
otherwise
gotta
it
get a
would have been
picture of that one.
Yeah,
Oh, that's a good
100%. Holy crap. Where did you come from, bud? I haven't caught one all season.
Nice.
Are they in season right now to keep or no? They're
No.
not. That's what I figured.
we would measure that one if it was.
That's definitely could have been
That
a keeper.
Jeez.
The drag's not even that loose.
Yeah, this thing was.
It's just a tog.
Back. Can you go to the bow? And then
This thing's awesome. Should
Yeah.
toss him back.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wow. That might be my biggest one ever. See you, bud.
Bye-bye.
Right back down. That was so sick. Oh my god. I like that you can lip them. That's my favorite part about sea bass.
also a little one, Nina.
Drop the pliers in the water, that would have been perfect. Sometimes it just happens.
You dropped your Sims ones? You're just not using them anymore.
No, the Sims, I keep in my camera.
Oh, whoa! Quick, Nina! Quick!
Do I have it?
No.
What was it? The rod?
It was the rod. It was
shit.
the rod. No. Damn it.
Oh my gosh!
That sucks.
Wait, what was it? Was a rod and reel and that was it.
Yeah, it was all of it. All of the above.
Oh. Yeah. What was it, Joey?
Small spanish.
Oh, that one? Well, we've had it for many years.
I'll totally buy you guys another one.
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. We had that on first.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That is a giant sea bass.
Nice job, man.
Oh my god.
Look at this guy.
Holy crap, that's a big sea bass.
He's so gigantic.
That is a big sea
Little
bass.
knucklehead.
Your rod was like
Big mouth.
doubled over. That was so sick. Those are the sea bass that I love to catch. Nice big ones like that. That's awesome. That's sick.
Did you put something different on there? Oh, sure.
Yeah, but my drag is so loose. I'm getting hammered and my drag is so loose. I never fixed it. I could. There we go. It's not small. Oh, it's a nice striper.
Another striper?
Yeah.
Oh, let's get a double picture with that. Put the hose in that one. Nice. Wow, look at the marking that.
God. I need to just tighten a little bit.
Nice fish.
Nice.
Oh, I don't know if you need to. No, go ahead.
I'm gonna net him.
Okay.
Net or nothing.
Yeah.
Wow, sea bass, togs, striper. That is so sick. Oh, yours is actually like a lot bigger than what I thought it was. Double up. Double up. Woo! There we go.
Yeah?
Yeah, ready? You want to put yours back?
Uh-huh.
Ready? 1, 2. Nice. That was a solid double up right there. Alright everybody, I just got back to the car. It was a really, honestly, it was just a good day of multi-species. I feel so bad that I dropped their setup into the water, so if you guys could do me a favor and really go drop them a follow on Instagram. Yeah, I feel really bad. I obviously didn't do it on purpose and they were really cool about it, but I feel so bad, man, because if someone dropped one of my setup, like every setup kind of has a story behind it, and you know, fish have been caught on it, so I feel so bad about it. But anyways, we caught a bunch of fish. I was getting pretty decent at the whole fly fishing thing. I was getting more distance, and I looked like I knew what I was doing. I had one bite on the fly, one blow up on the little popper, and it was so cool. But no one committed on my bait, which kind of sucked. But I still had a lot of fun. We prevailed, and we kind of just found other ways to catch some fish. And I love jigging. It's one of my favorites. So we definitely caught fish, and I ended up having a lot of fun. I knew I was gonna have fun because they're such great people. But again, check them out on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me catching a bunch of fish, especially that huge tog. That is crazy. Like, that was so cool. One of the most fun I've had in a while fighting that fish. But anyways, enough talking. Thank you guys so much for viewing today's episode. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys next time.